Look no further than the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's an off-roader's dream come true, the Gladiator. This uniquely designed midsize pickup delivers rugged versatility, modern comfort, and classic upright styling. Impressive towing capability, available diesel power, and a host of customizing options let you create the adventure machine that's perfect for you. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: backup camera, fog lamps, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, trip computer, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Dare to enjoy the freedom you crave in this no-excuses Commander. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.